What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mac Art from Alkaline Herbs and Recipes, and today we'll be making a burro banana pancake.
Step 1.
Mash burro banana into a nice round ball. It should look like this when it's done.
Step 2.
Place grapeseed oil in cast iron skillet.
Step 3.
Fire to get real hot on medium heat.
Step 4.
Now we're going to place burro banana on hot oil. And we're just going to let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side.
Step 5.
First side after 2 minutes.
Step 6.
Flipped it after 2 minutes, and this is the nice texture. In about another 2 minutes, I'm going to take it out of here and place it on my plate.
Step 7.
Remove from cast iron skillet, place on plate, and enjoy burro banana and complete alkaline breakfast. Y'all be blessed. Yeah, man.
Step 8. Please subscribe to Alkaline Herbs and Recipes. Thank you very much.